Hey, welcome back to our Monday Live, guys. It's Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick off the week on a brighter side. This week, we're spending time with nature, particularly by the shorelines with rocks and seagulls that can have several health benefits. Number 1, stress reduction. Being in a natural environment has been shown to reduce stress levels. The sound of waves crashing against rocks and the presence of seagulls can create a soothing atmosphere, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety.
Number 2, boosted immune system. Being in nature exposes you to various beneficial microorganisms present in the environment. This exposure can stimulate the immune system and contribute to a stronger and more resilient immune response.
Early morning walk before church. Who would have thought that there is this beautiful flower in the middle of weeds? We don't need to go far to appreciate our gifts every day. Look at these flowers. Wild, like considered as a weed in the middle of nowhere, but look how pretty they are. Look how pretty that flowers are. It just grew here. Wild.
Out of a weed.
Out of a weed. Never seen as pretty as this. They're like bright and lit up.
The presence of flowers, plants, and grass in front of the beach can provide additional health benefits, like enhanced mood and mental well-being. Surrounding yourself with flowers, plants, and grass can have a positive impact on your mood. Studies have shown that being in the presence of natural elements can increase positive emotions, reduce feelings of anger and sadness, and improve overall mental well-being. Connection with nature. Having flowers, plants, and grass in front of the beach provides an opportunity to connect with nature at a more intimate level. Engaging in activities such as gardening, smelling the flowers, or feeling the grass under your feet can evoke a sense of grounding and connectedness, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment and happiness.
Look how much trash we found here. Sean found these. Ooh, Kikas! We're cleaning so much trash today.
About €25.
Look, €25, mama. We just wash our hands here after we clean the trash.
A little bit wet.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Ciao, everybody.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please press like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And you can follow us on our other social media platforms. Have a great day.